What if every new entry in Google Sheet could automatically turn into an actionable task? Yes, it's possible by using Pabbly Connect. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video we are going to learn how to automatically create Asana task from Google Sheets. And I have created this automation by using Pabbly Connect, which can integrate different applications and start automating your work. So now as soon as I will receive a new entry over my Google Sheet, I'm going to create a task in Asana. So if you also want to create this automation for your own business too, then let me take you towards my screen. So welcome to my screen, and now let me show you how you can automatically create tasks for the Google Sheets. So right here on my screen you can see I have already integrated both these applications, that is Google Sheets and Asana. So now as soon as I will make a new entry over my Google Sheet, an automated task will be created in my Asana. So now let's move on towards my Google Sheet, and here you can see this is the Google Sheet which I am going to fill, and afterwards we will check whether a new task is created over my Asana account or not. So here I am receiving the data in my Google Sheet from the Google Forms. So here you can see this is the Google Form from where I am going to get my data. So now I am going to provide my full name as smart user, and now I am going to enter my email as smartuser@pabblytudes.com, and here I am going to enter my phone number as well, and now I am going to select my product as Pabbly Connect. Now let's submit this form, and here you can see my form has been successfully submitted and I am receiving the data in my Google Sheet. Now let's move on towards my Asana account to check whether a new task is created for this particular lead or not. So here I'm landed to my Asana account, where you can see I'm successfully receiving this task containing the same name of my lead, that is follow up with smart user, and here you can see the same name of my lead, and here you can even see the details such as name smart user, email smartuser@pabblytudes.com, phone number, and the product in which I am interested, that is Pabbly Connect. So now you have seen that as soon as I've received the data in my Google Sheet, an automated task is created in my Asana account. So now let me show you how you can create this amazing automation for your own business too, and for that you have to access Pabbly Connect. And if you are planning to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought an amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy discounts on yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly. So this is your chance to get instant savings and take your business to the next level with the help of automation. So what are you waiting for? Use this coupon code and get heavy discounts. And now for accessing Pabbly Connect, you have to open the new tab and type its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you can just click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, then you can get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and using Pabbly Connect. And if you already have an account, then you can just click over the sign in, and once you finish your sign up, you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page, where you can see all these products provided by Pabbly. And now as we are going to create an integration of both the applications, that is Google Sheet and Asana, we have to use this Pabbly Connect app. So now let's click over this access now button, and here we are landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, where you can see these are the folders I have created for organizing my automations. So you can also create your own folder by simply selecting this create a new folder button. And now I am going to create a workflow by simply selecting this create workflow button, and here we are getting two options for selecting the workflow builder. So here we are getting this workflow builder, that is beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible, and another workflow builder we are getting is classic, which will provide you stable and familiar approach. So here I am going to use this newly launched workflow builder beta. So now let's click over this select button, and here we are getting this option for entering the workflow name. So now let's provide a name to my workflow here. So here I am providing it the name automatically create Asana task for Google Sheet, and now I am going to select my folder as automation. Now let's click over this create button, and here we are landed to our workflow page, where you might see this option of adding the trigger. So now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So trigger is our first application, or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new entry over my Google Sheet. So here I am going to select my trigger app as Google Sheet. So here I have selected this add trigger, and here I am getting some of the applications. So I am going to select Google Sheets, and afterwards I am going to select my app event as new or updated spreadsheet row. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are getting this web webhook URL with the steps for pasting this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge between Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect for building the connection. So now let's copy this webhook URL and now let's move on towards my Google Sheet from where I'm receiving the data. So here I'm landed to my Google Sheet where you just have to go to extensions and here you have to select this add-ons, and on the add-ons you have to select this get add-ons, and you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace where you have to search for the app that is Pabbly Connect Webhook. So now let's search for it, and here you can see I'm getting this application or this app which is already installed. So make sure to firstly install this app, and afterwards again you have to go towards the extensions, and here you can see we are getting this option for Pabbly Connect Webhooks which we have to select, and here we are getting this option for initial setup which you have to select, and you will be getting the initial setup dialog box, and here it is asking me to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So here you have to enter the webhook URL which you have recently received from your Pabbly Connect. So now let's enter it, and afterwards it is asking me to enter the trigger column. So trigger column is basically the last data column of our Google Sheet. So here the last data column of my Google Sheet is E, so here I'm going to enter it as E. Now we just have to click over this submit button, and here we are getting this message that is set up configured successfully, and now we just have to send the test data. So for that we have to receive a new entry over our Google Sheet, and as I'm receiving this entry from my Google form, so I'm going to fill my Google form, and Google form and Google Sheets are native integration of each other, so I'm receiving the Google form data to my Google Sheet. So this is the Google form from where I'm going to receive the data. So I'm going to provide my full name as demo user, and afterwards I'm going to provide my email as demoUser@pabblytunes.com, and afterwards I'm going to enter my phone number as well, and now this time I'm going to select my product as Pabbly Chat Flow. Now let's submit this form, and here my form has been successfully submitted, and here you can see in my Google Sheet I have successfully received the data, and now we just have to send this test data to the Pabbly Connect. So now let's click over this send test, and here you can see we are receiving this message that is test data sent successfully. So this means this test data might be sent to the Pabbly Connect. So now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect and check it, and here you can see in my Pabbly Connect I am successfully receiving this response, and this response consists of the same details which we have recently filled. And here you can see as we are successfully receiving the data, so this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app, and now one more important task is remaining in our Google Sheet. So for that you just have to go towards the Google Sheets again, and here you have to go to the extensions Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and here you have to enable this send on event so that your data get automatically fetched by Pabbly Connect and you don't have to send your data again and again to the Pabbly Connect. So here you can see in my Pabbly Connect Webhooks it is enabled successfully, so make sure to enable it. And now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect, and now this is the time to create a task in Asana. So I'm going to select my action application as Asana. So now let's search for it, and here you can see I'm getting this application, so I'm going to select it. Now I'm going to select my app event as create a task with custom fields. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are landed to the connection page where if you want to go through your existing connection then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you just have to click over this add new connection button, and here you have to click over this connect with Asana, and here you can see my connection has been built in so smoothly as I already have logged in my Asana account. And here we are getting some of the fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the workspace. So from this drop down you can select your preferred workspace, and now we are getting this option for selecting the project. So I'm going to select my project as follow-up task, and now it is asking me to enter the task name. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually enter my task name, but no, I'm going to perform mapping, which is the real magic of Pabbly Connect. So now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map my task name from the response which I'm receiving from Google Sheets, as this is my previous application. So for the task name I have entered this word, and now I'm going to map the name of my lead. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and here we are getting our previous application or the Google Sheets from where here I'm going to map my data. So here I'm getting the full name which I'm going to map, and this field will be dynamic, means now you don't have to change your lead's name again and again, as this response will be replaced as a new entry will be received in your Google Sheet. And now it is asking me to enter the notes. So here I'm going to provide the notes consisting the details of my lead. So here you can see I have entered the notes, and now on this notes I'm going to provide the name, email, phone number and the product in which my user is interested by the help of mapping. So here I'm going to map the name of my lead. So here I have selected the slash symbol, and here I'm getting the full name which I'm going to map. Now let's map the email address of my lead. So here I'm going to map the email address as well, and now let's map the phone number. So I'm going to map the phone number as well. Now I'm going to map the product in which my user is interested. So here I have mapped it, and now these fields are dynamic, and now we are getting these fields which are not necessary. So now let's click over the save and send test request button, and here you can see we are receiving a positive response which demonstrate that a task might be created in our Asana account. So now let's move on towards my Asana account and check it. So here I'm landed to my Asana account, and here you can see I'm successfully receiving the same task which I have recently entered in my Pabbly Connect, and the same details of the lead which was filled in my Google Sheet. And here you can see its name, that is demo user, email demoUser@pabblytudes.com, the phone number and the product in which my user is interested, that is Pabbly chat flow. So now you can see that within few minutes I have built an amazing automation which is creating tasks for my Google Sheet. So now you can also create this amazing automations so that your entire focus is growth of your business, not these manual tasks, as Pabbly Connect is there for helping you with your manual task. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.